Hi, I'm Jacqueline, and I wanted to introduce you to our brand new collection for January for the Art of Home Club. This is called Hop on the Bunny Express. It is super cute. You're going to love to make this to decorate your home. Now, what's really fun about this is the table runner done with 5 blocks, but we're going to show you how to make it with anywhere from 3 to 7 blocks. So what's going to happen is you've got your little bunny train, and then you're going to get instructions to make up to 6 other blocks to go behind the train, and so you can make the table runner as long as you want. So short for a small table, long for an extra long table. I think it's a really cute idea. So in addition to the 5 different table runners that you can make with this, you can make a little chair cover. So a lot of times we think about decorating our tabletop with toppers or runners or placemats, but you can also decorate your chairs. So this will fit most chairs, and look, you'll have the front decorated as well as the back. So that is going to be a really cute addition to your springtime and Easter table. So there are, like I said, 7 different designs that you get, and you can do them either with machine applique or hand embroidery. And don't worry if you don't know how to do that, because we have tutorials for both of those in our club. So we hope that you'll join us in the Art of Home Club. Hi, I'm Jacqueline, and this is your bonus when you join the Art of Home Club this month. This is called Folk Art Valentine, and I love this collection. This was really popular. People really like this. And it has a folk art theme with a lot of pretty heart designs. So this is a placemat, and it's done in pinks and reds. And for this, we did hand embroidery on a red background. We did white floss on the red background, and isn't that pretty? And the fun thing about using a single color of floss is, one, it really kind of makes a statement using that one color. It's kind of bold, but it also makes your stitching go so much faster because you don't have to stop to switch your colors. So it does make the stitching go faster. So that's the placemat. Now we also have this really fun table topper, and it's an octagon. So rather than your standard square, it's an octagon, and it has this really pretty pieced block in the middle. And again, you've got lots of different heart designs to choose from with a folk art theme. And you could do these either with the applique or the embroidery, like I just showed you, which we had on the placemat. So you could do either or. So this would be really pretty. Just imagine it in the center of your table, and then you've got that pretty heart design on every side. So that is the Folk Art Valentine Collection, which is your bonus this month.